Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon and sultana muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of oil, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 150 grams of sultanas. Firstly, in a bowl, add your flour, your sugar and your cinnamon and just give it a mix. Then in a separate jug, mix together your milk, your oil and your egg until well combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter. Then add your sultanas and mix until they're really well distributed within the batter. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tin, divide your mixture between 12 cupcake or muffin cases. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make cinnamon and sultana muffins.